Is gossip good for your health? Over the past few weeks, we've discussed how each of us is like a driver in a car. Who we are is our mind and is like a driver. Our car is our brain. The key to a smooth running car is a healthy thought process. We have direct control of our conscious brain, which is like the steering wheel or brakes in our car. We can determine the direction we are going and whether we slow down or speed up. We've been discussing a type of behavior in others that can really damage our cars, and it's bullying. When we think of a bully, we often think of a kid on the playground that is harassing a quiet and timid kid. But anyone is capable of bullying. Bullying is when someone tries to tear down another person and getting others to tear down another person, so that the bully feels better about themselves momentarily. So what does corporate bullying look like? Think of the manager who likes to publicly point out mistakes of their team members, berating them. Whose benefit is this for? What about a coworker that gossips? Many company environments tolerate this behavior because it seems harmless. I had a manager recently share with me that a new team member had joined their team, and since then, the healthy culture of the team seemed to be off. She overheard the new team member sharing with another team member that she personally knew the wife of the department's director, and that she knew he was going through a bad divorce and heard it was pretty ugly. The manager was conflicted because she couldn't really put her finger on if the new team member was crossing a line or just sharing. I gave her two quick ways to determine if it is gossip. One, are they saying something nice about the person? And two, are they willing to say the information directly to the person they are talking about? If they are, then it is most likely not gossip. When team members silo their conversations about other team members in order to feel better about themselves, that's bullying. Other team members go along with it because they're glad the spotlight isn't on them. Information shared from gossiping may cause uncertainty and skepticism about the team member gossiped about, and trust can begin to dwindle, leading to our cars, our brains, breaking down. Bullying destroys our cars. I encourage the manager to coach the team on how to handle the gossiper in order to stop the bullying. Team members can encourage the gossiper to speak directly to the team member about the information they are sharing with others. Speak to their supervisor or ask HR for help. So, are you ready to help your teams to stand up to bullying? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay connected. Thank you for letting me share my leadership thought. Have a great week.